In this video, we'll go over the SortBy function in Excel and demo NVIDIA's EyeLock feature, which artificially makes your eyes look like you are looking into the camera, but you're actually looking in a different direction. I'm reading the script from my monitor positioned below the camera and to the left right now. Comment below if it looks convincing. We'll discuss this further at the end of the video. So for now, let's get started with the SortBy function. The great thing about a SortBy formula, you can add as much data you want in your source table, and you don't have to worry about the sort that it's in, because with this function, it will always keep it in the sort that you desire. But let's go ahead and get started. I don't know why I'm explaining. You probably searched for the function SortBy, and here I'm wasting your time explaining to you why you want it. Okay, so equal sign, SortBy. You want to make sure you have your header already set up at the top because it will not pull that in. Okay, SortBy. Next thing, array. The array is in the source data, so you want to select just the data, excluding the header. By array, what do you want to sort? I want to sort by, let's do by rush, because that's very important. So you're going to go to the very top again, click right below rush, hold down the Control and Shift key, and then hit the down arrow key on your keyboard. Actually, no, that would take too long. Scroll down, and then hold down the Shift key, and click on the last cell. Okay, now hit comma again. Now, how do you want to sort by this table? Ascending or descending? 1 for ascending, -1 for descending. Let's do ascending. 1. Then comma. Okay. What's the next column you want to sort by? District. So let's go to the top. Click on district here. Control Shift down arrow. I think it'll work for this one since every cell has an entry. All right. Hit comma again. Ascending or descending. And then hit the close paren on your keyboard. And then hit enter. Now you'll see, you can tell from up here, this is like a ghost data, or, it indicates that's the formula. When you click on the cell where you entered it, you see that it turns bold, because that's where it is. Okay, so we see here under rush, it's sorting. So no, 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 yes, and then sorts by district. So this is really great. You can add new data, like, let's go down here. Let's just quickly create a new entry. All right, and we'll call this, let's give it something that will appear at the top. A-OK. Okay, now let's see if it included it. Sort data, and there it is, A-OK. That's really the whole thing. I especially like this for my purposes because I'm constantly adding new data to the tab, and it's just nice that I can just come here and see it in the exact order that I like. If you have any questions about this, or if you have difficulty applying it to your project, leave a comment below, and I'll be more than happy to work with you. All right, so now we're going to talk about NVIDIA EyeLock some more. We're back to NVIDIA's EyeLock test. So right now I'm looking into the camera. Now I'm looking down and looking back up at the camera. I'm looking to the left now. It might adjust. I don't know yet until I look at the recording. Now I'm looking to the right. I'm looking to the right. Now below the camera. I've noticed that in the intro to this video, it did glitch a little bit, but I think it's okay when it allows you to move your eyes around because it'll look more natural, but 90% of it is still looking into the camera. And I'm also testing the NVIDIA background removal. So I've inserted a picture that I created via Midjourney's AI art generating tool, which is fantastic. It's going to make life so much easier. Let me put on some glasses, see if that changes anything. So again, I'm gonna look around. I'm looking to my bottom left, now lower right, back to the camera. Now I'm looking up. I will just keep talking in case it lets me look in these directions. Maybe it'll correct itself. And now I'm looking back into the lens. Well, that's all the testing I have for this right now. I think I'm going to make another video later going into detail about all of this NVIDIA fun. I didn't even know you can do the background removal until I went in to enable the EyeLock. All right, that's it for me. Have a great day.